How to see all evaluation results. You will see the results of evaluation of all your reports when you choose the submenu Evaluation under Summaries. You will come to a page Evaluation Select Content, at which the evaluation option, output fraction technology, and the evaluation choice all are set as default values. If you want to see and work with combinations evaluated as not okay, choose Evaluation Rules and press the search button. For the evaluation options and their planned application, see the video Evaluation Options, some examples, under Videos for Administrators. You just have to click them and see evaluation results. Let's go back to output fraction technology. With other selection fields in the Select Content block, you may limit results of evaluation you want to start to work with. Below the Select Content block, you will find the list of evaluation results. Beside the columns for the entries of the evaluation option, here output fractions and technologies used, there are additional columns for % of total input, usages, evaluation, kind of rule, and controller remarks. Entries in % of total input or weight, depending on the choice it shows, shall give an indication on the mass relevance of this combination. In the column Usages, the figure shows you how often this combination has been used in your reports. If you click the number, you will get a list of reports where this combination is used. The list of reports is done as links to jump into the reports overview, to the treatment step where this combination is used. This feature gives you the option to look at the context in which this combination has been used and of course to do possible corrections. In the column Evaluation, you may see the evaluation done by the technical expert, the controller. You should follow the controller remarks given. In case of to be proved, you may have to, depending on agreements with your VE system, attach any approval or similar. Impossible shall be mainly used for technical aspects. You should check your entries if they are correct in case you have to change your entries or your actions. Forbidden shall mainly be used for combinations forbidden by national law or other requirements. You should check your entries if they are correct in case you have to change your entries or your actions. In the column Kind of Rule, you may see if the technical expert, the controller, has set a warning or a blocking. At present, both kind of rule options result in an inspection warning. The option for blocking is at present mainly given as filter option. It is planned that the choice blocking will result in more drastic actions, like a more severe warning or that a report may not be set to done. This has to be agreed.